Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to record a small get ready with me as well as a small vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy and let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so I'm using my Bare Mineral foundation in the color Sable 21. You guys already know. Now I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick. This is in the number 040. And of course, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow to do my eyebrows. And I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm taking these yellow tones and placing them all over my eyelids, like so. Now I'm going to go to the Subculture palette. And I'm going to take New Wave and Edge, which is basically its yellow tones. And I'm going to put them on top of the yellow tones that I already have. Now with my finger, I'm going to take Electric and I'm going to place it on my eyelid. And guys, let me tell you, this is my first time working with glitter. And look at that. There's glitter everywhere. I am not a fan of glitter. Now I'm going to use the color All Star and I'm going to place it on the outer corner of my eyelid. I decided to use this color because it really matches the lipstick that I have on. And now I am just going to blend it. And of course, after that, I'm going to apply some falsies. So now I'm going to use my Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Beige. So this one I place underneath my eyes, underneath my eyebrow, and on the bridge of my nose. You guys know I am not a makeup professional, so this is just basically how I personally do my makeup. And yeah, FYI. I'm going to take the color Untamed and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. I'm also going to take the color Roxy and I'm going to use it as blush. And let's not forget the Airspun Translucent Powder, please. It's a lifesaver. I truly love this thing. And this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? How did I do? Leave me some tips and tricks down below in the comments. This was my first time working with glitter, like I said, so I'm definitely gonna have to use it a lot more so that I can get used to it. But yeah, overall, I love this look. Now let's go to Starbucks. Hey guys, we came to Starbucks. Steven's eating a muffin. We're waiting for our drinks. It's so full today. There's a bunch of people here. But look at how cute this is. So cute. It goes with this, doesn't it? The cherries. What did you get?
The toasted white chocolate.
Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the get ready with me, as well as the small little clip of me and my babe at Starbucks. I have more videos coming, so please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And if you don't follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, go ahead and do so right now. You can find me under @Buniquedoll for my Snapchat and Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.